The uninterrupted, reliable, and secure access to the Internet is seen as a basic right for all citizens and a significant economic factor. The current infrastructure lacks many of the features associated with a trusted, safe, and secure communication medium. CESAR provided the scientific, technical, and technological concepts and solutions for secure transport networks in the 2020 timeframe. Within the project, 4 world records on optical transport networks were set. One example is a transmission at 38.4 terabits per second over a 762-kilometer fiber link between Lyon, Marseille, and Lyon. At such a high transmission rate, the complete American Library of Congress, 120 terabits, can be transmitted in just 3 seconds. Besides this, the researchers demonstrated innovative security concepts for mobile networks at the Mobile World Congress, founded 2 companies, published 561 papers, filed 76 patents, successfully completed 43 PhD theses, developed almost 100 demonstrators, and created or improved over 50 products. Thus, the project results have had a major impact on the European telecommunication network.
Tidal streams and ocean currents offer predictable, reliable, and locally produced renewable energy. One of the current challenges for the marine industry is to produce robust and cost-effective tidal turbines. The objective of the TEH-ADP project was to help with that. In this project, the 2 companies, Cymec Atlantis Energy and Minesto, investigated and developed new materials, manufacturing techniques, and designs of turbine blades for tidal energy converters. The innovations were tested in real-world conditions and are still in use. The project contributed strongly in growing Minesto's technical maturity regarding the wing of its power plant, a subsea marine energy kite. Minesto's key deliverables were choice of material and manufacturing process of a full-scale wing, designs and manufacturing of 2 generations of wings in scale 1 to 4, design, manufacturing, and tests of 2 sections of a full-scale wing, and substantial offshore testing of the quarter-scale wings. For Atlantis operations, the project has led to new business opportunities in Europe and Asia, and Minesto was able to finance, build, and begin testing on its first scaled-up power plant off the Welsh coast.
Of 90 million European children, 20% have fatty liver disease. Due to risks associated with biopsy, many children are not diagnosed until their condition becomes serious. This may lead to surgery, carrying risks of infection and further liver damage. Kids for Life enabled the development of 2 non-invasive MRI-based medical devices for detecting liver and biliary disorders in children. Liver Multiscan and MRCP Plus are diagnostic aids that are fast, safe, and can identify disease at much earlier stages. Liver Multiscan visualizes the whole liver as opposed to the sample from a biopsy. Enabling development of the world's first liver scanning software for children, Kids for Life has accelerated and improved the accuracy of diagnosis while reducing the risk of infection and avoiding the need for painful biopsies. Following funding from Eureka, Perspectum went on to develop a commercial pediatric study. It investigated the effect of a nutraceutical on adolescents with fatty liver. Perspectum has also been awarded funding for an extension of the Liver Multiscan to monitor the progression of type 2 diabetes.
European industry's need for flexible production system design, optimized time to market, and high product quality provided the background for the ITEA cluster project Avanti. The goal was to develop a virtual commissioning test methodology based on behavior simulation of production systems to enable leading European OEMs, component and tool providers to gain a competitive edge. Standardizing automation and using functional mock-up interfaces enables better product distribution channels and easy use of standard software, thereby reducing the effort needed to create complex simulation models. The project's two key innovations were 1. Virtualization of the testing process for industrial production lines, and 2. The combination of different models and tools for simulating production for virtual commissioning. The Eventi project generated impressive exploitable results. It demonstrated in different industrial sectors the impact of distributed simulation. Daimler, Germany, in automotive assembly, Arçelik, Turkey, in white goods production, and Moventas, Finland, for windmill gearbox testing. In all application domains, the project resulted in an efficiency improvement of 25 to 30% in production preparation.
Sigmona is the software-defined networking concept in generalized mobile network architectures. It benefits mobile operators because Sigmona's software-defined networking and network functions virtualization architecture lower the initial network investment, energy consumption, and management costs. It also benefits network managers by offering them the flexibility to configure, manage, secure, and optimize network resources to adapt to changing business needs. Sigmona was at the forefront of emerging 5G technology, allowing operators to adapt 5G by themselves without the need to wait for features embedded in vendors' proprietary and closed software environments. The novel LTE 4G network architecture with NFV and SDN were validated with test systems and demonstrated in the Mobile World Congress 2015 and 2016. A spin-off company called Cumacore was created and has boosted operators with novel mobile network architecture. The company has also tested LTE network solutions that are deployable in 3 minutes. The products developed under Sigmona were made 5G ready as a baseline for the forthcoming 5G mobile network and standards. And today, the SDN concepts are widely used in LTE and 5G networks.